Alright, so for the creative work for lesson 5, I decided to add a image, a way for you to add an image to, say, your account or whatnot. So, as you can see here in the database, as of right now, the personal URL or the image is null. So we can go ahead and we can log in over here. And up here, the image is null as well. So you'll go and you'll press add image. And oops. So let me go find an image real fast. So over here, we'll just grab this one for. So and you can press update image. So now, as you can see over here, the database did update. So it's got the same one as this does, and my picture up here updated, and along with the picture and the account picture.